Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I told you it was funny. It really was. I couldn't stop laughing.
All right, class. Today we are going to learn about the different types of shapes and how we use them every day. Let's start with the circle.
Ay, Mamet, danabarbadat danamobine. The cat is wearing a big red hat. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, have a good weekend.
আজ স্কুলটা দারুণ ছিল না?
হ্যাঁ, খুব ভালো ছিল। তোর ফোনটা কে ছিল?
আরে রাজু, ও জিজ্ঞেস করছিল। আর আমরা প্রায় পৌঁছে গেছি।